Hi everyone, I'm Joshua Missouri, Director of Military and Veteran Services at Texas A&M University, Central Texas. We're just going to show you how to get started using your GI Bill benefits at Texas A&M Central Texas. Let's get started. So go to the university's website and select Warrior Web. From Warrior Web, please go to the 4 boxes on the left side under categories, and we're going to select Military and Veteran Services. From there, you'll find the VA Certification tab. Select that. And here you will find a VA student checklist. This checklist gives you exact details on what you'll need to do to complete your request for certification for federal benefits. So please make sure that you reviewed this for all required documents. Any missing document can delay your certification request. And let's go back to the previous tab. Then we're going to click on Request for VA Certification. And this will enter an electronic form. Please provide all information in the electronic form and all required documents. Once you've submitted that, you'll just click Next, and that will ask you for a signature line, and you're done.